We're healing from the inside out with the help of blackberries. Our bodies need all colors of the rainbow, so here's the star of our show. We're cooking up a blackberry cinnamon chicken salad. So let's take a deep peek into the blackberry first and take a notice of its indigo color. It's made up of purple and blue and red. And let's notice that blackberry juice, which means if it has juice, it's a living food. And if it's a living food, it's a living medicine for our body. And if it's a living medicine, it must be one of the colors of the rainbow. So here you have it, your indigo color. So yummy. Let's make a chicken salad with lots of flavors. And we're going to start with chicken that's seasoned with lots of paprika and salt and pepper and some ghee. And let's chop up a little green onion. Let's put that all into a bowl and chop up some chicken, cube it up, put it right back into those juices. I like to use a cast iron skillet when I'm making extra flavorful chicken, and add a little creaminess so that we have a base for all of our seasonings that we're going to add, with some mayonnaise and some white vinegar and another secret brown sugar with salt and pepper. And here's our seasonings that we're going to add: some nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon, coriander, paprika, clove, all those yummy things. And as you're watching me add up all these yummy seasonings, let's talk about in the color healing world that if you have a lack of indigo in your body, that blue, purple, red color, being that our bodies have all the colors of the rainbow in them, because we're a light body, you might feel off balance, you might have sleeping problems, you might have a hard time saying what it is that you need to say. So what you want to do is make sure that when you're at the grocery store that you're looking for those blue foods, especially these blackberries with the indigo color of light, to help yourself feel balanced and verbally creative. So enjoy your energy boost when you're filling up with these living blackberries straight from the sun to you.